Welcome back to The Power of Silence, Part 2. In this part, we dive into the science, how silence rewires your brain, lowers stress, sharpens focus, and even heals the body. If you're following this series, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the upcoming parts, and drop a comment to let us know how silence is impacting your life.
Chapter 2, The Science of Silence. As we transition into Chapter 2, The Science of Silence, our exploration takes a compelling turn towards the tangible, scientifically backed benefits of silence on our well-being. This chapter opens the door to a realm where silence is not just a philosophical ideal but a powerful, measurable force that profoundly influences our mental and physical health. Recent decades have seen a surge in scientific interest regarding the effects of silence on the human body and mind. Researchers from various disciplines have begun to uncover evidence that reinforces what many cultures have intuitively known for centuries: silence carries significant health benefits. From neuroscience to psychology, studies are revealing how periods of silence, far from being mere absences of noise, actively contribute to brain health, stress reduction, and overall well-being. This introduction serves as a gateway to understanding the transformative power of silence, grounded in scientific research. It aims to bridge the ancient wisdom discussed in the first chapter with modern scientific discoveries, illustrating how the art of silence is supported by empirical evidence. As we navigate through this chapter, we will explore how silence affects our mental health, enhances cognitive functions, and offers surprising physiological benefits. The journey from anecdotal reverence to scientific validation not only deepens our appreciation for silence but also provides a practical framework for incorporating it into our daily lives. With each study and expert insight, we move closer to understanding how the quiet can hold the key to unlocking our fullest potential. The Quietude Cure: Silence as a Balm for the Mind. In an age where stress is often considered a ubiquitous aspect of modern life, the search for effective antidotes has led us back to one of humanity's most ancient practices: silence. The impact of silence on stress reduction and mental health is not just a matter of folklore or spiritual belief but is increasingly being validated by scientific research. This segment explores the profound effects that silence has on our mental well-being, offering insights into how it acts as a powerful tool in the fight against stress and its associated health issues. A sanctuary from stress. Studies in the field of neuroscience have shown that silence has a direct impact on stress markers in the brain. Periods of silence have been linked to the reduction of cortisol, a hormone associated with stress, and an increase in the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which plays a crucial role in brain health and resilience. Silence, it appears, acts as a reset button for the brain, allowing it to repair and strengthen itself away from the onslaught of sensory input that characterizes modern life. Mental health and the sound of silence. Beyond stress reduction, silence has profound implications for overall mental health. Research indicates that incorporating silent periods into one's routine can enhance mindfulness and promote a state of mental clarity and focus. This mindfulness, in turn, has been linked to lower rates of anxiety and depression, conditions that are often exacerbated by the constant noise and distraction of our surroundings. Silence, by providing a space for reflection and introspection, enables individuals to process emotions more effectively, leading to improved mental health outcomes. Neurological nourishment. The benefits of silence extend to the very structure of our brains. Silence has been found to promote the growth of new neurons in the hippocampus, an area of the brain associated with memory, emotion regulation, and learning. This neurogenesis not only contributes to improved cognitive function but also plays a role in resilience against stress-related disorders. By nurturing our brain's architecture, silence helps fortify our mental landscape, making us more resilient to the pressures of life. The ripple effect on mental health. The positive impact of silence on stress and mental health creates a ripple effect, influencing various aspects of life. Improved stress management leads to better sleep patterns, enhanced concentration, and a more positive outlook on life. These changes can significantly affect personal and professional relationships, productivity, and overall quality of life. The embrace of silence, therefore, is not just a personal health strategy but a holistic approach to enhancing well-being. In conclusion, the science of silence offers compelling evidence of its beneficial effects on stress reduction and mental health. As we uncover more about the Quietude Cure, it becomes clear that reintegrating silence into our daily lives is not merely a luxury but a necessity for mental and emotional well-being. This understanding paves the way for practical applications and lifestyle changes that can help individuals harness the restorative power of silence, turning the tide against the stress and mental health challenges of our time. The symphony of stillness, boosting brainpower through silence. In an era where multitasking and digital distractions have become the norm, the quest for enhanced focus, creativity, and cognitive function is more pressing than ever. Remarkably, one of the most effective tools for sharpening our mental faculties is also one of the most accessible yet often overlooked: silence. This section examines the fascinating ways in which silence can bolster our brain's performance, fostering an environment where focus, creativity, and cognitive capabilities flourish. Silence sharpens focus. In the constant buzz of the modern world, our attention is fragmented, with numerous demands vying for our notice. Silence, however, creates a pause in this sensory overload, allowing the brain to rest, recharge, and realign. Studies have shown that periods of silence can significantly improve attention span and concentration. When the brain is not overwhelmed by noise or information, it can process and respond more effectively to the tasks at hand. This enhanced focus is not just momentary. Regular intervals of silence have long-term benefits, helping to cultivate a deeper, sustained concentration. Creativity's quiet companion. Silence is also a powerful catalyst for creativity. The quiet allows our minds to wander, dream, and engage in what psychologists call default mode network activity. This mode is essential for creative thinking and problem-solving, as it enables the brain to make new connections, explore ideas, and come up with innovative solutions. In silence, we give our minds the freedom to explore the inner recesses of our imagination, untouched by external noise. This leads to a flourishing of creative ideas, making silence a vital ingredient in the creative process. Cognitive benefits of silence. The cognitive benefits of embracing silence are profound. Beyond enhancing focus and creativity, silence has been shown to aid in memory formation and learning. When our brains are not bombarded by noise, they can process information more effectively, leading to better retention and understanding. Furthermore, silence has been linked to the regeneration of brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, the region associated with memory and learning. This neurogenesis not only improves current cognitive function but also helps protect the brain against age-related decline. Beyond the brain, the holistic impact of silence. The influence of silence on focus, creativity, and cognitive function underscores a vital truth: the state of our external environment deeply impacts our internal world. Silence, by providing a respite from the sensory demands of everyday life, allows our brains to function at their highest potential. The benefits extend beyond individual tasks or moments of inspiration. They contribute to a more attentive, imaginative, and intelligent engagement with the world around us. In conclusion, the science of silence reveals its indispensable role in enhancing mental performance. By incorporating silent intervals into our routine, we can unlock the full potential of our focus, creativity, and cognitive capabilities. As we move forward, this understanding not only enriches our personal lives but also offers a blueprint for cultivating more productive, innovative, and cognitively vibrant communities. The healing harmony of hush, silence, and physical well-being. In the exploration of silence's multifaceted benefits, its impact extends beyond the mental and cognitive to significantly influence our physical health. The cultivation of regular silent intervals is not just a balm for the mind but a tonic for the body, offering remarkable health benefits that underscore the profound interconnectedness of our physical and mental well-being. This section discusses the physiological advantages of embracing silence, shedding light on how quiet moments can foster a healthier, more vibrant life. Cardiovascular health and silence. One of the most striking physical benefits of silence is its effect on heart health. Research has demonstrated that periods of silence can help lower blood pressure and reduce heart rate, markers associated with stress and anxiety reduction. In a world where heart disease remains a leading cause of mortality, the ability of silence to alleviate cardiovascular strain is of immense value. By providing the heart a momentary pause from the relentless pace of daily life, silence acts as a preventive measure against stress-induced cardiac issues. Silence strengthens the immune system. Silence also plays a crucial role in bolstering the body's immune response. Chronic noise exposure has been linked to increased levels of stress hormones, which can suppress immune function. Conversely, engaging in silent practices like meditation or spending time in quiet natural settings can enhance immune resilience, making the body better equipped to ward off infections and diseases. This immune-boosting effect further exemplifies how the adoption of silent intervals can be a simple yet effective strategy for enhancing overall health. Enhancing sleep quality. The quest for improved sleep quality in an age of insomnia and sleep disturbances has led many to the doorstep of silence. The presence of constant background noise can significantly disrupt sleep patterns, whereas environments characterized by tranquility promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Silence before bedtime, free from digital distractions, prepares the mind and body for sleep, facilitating a transition into the restful states necessary for health and regeneration. Neurological health and regeneration. Beyond its immediate calming effects, silence has been found to positively affect the brain's structure and function. Studies have shown that silence can stimulate the growth of new brain cells, contributing to neuroplasticity and cognitive resilience. This cellular regeneration is vital for maintaining neurological health over time, particularly in the face of aging and neurodegenerative diseases. By embracing periods of quiet, we nurture our brain's vitality, supporting its ability to adapt, learn, and thrive throughout our lives. The physical symphony of silence. The physical health benefits of regular silent intervals paint a picture of silence as a powerful, accessible tool for enhancing well-being. From cardiovascular health to immune function, sleep quality, and neurological vitality, the advantages of incorporating silence into our lives are both profound and pervasive. As we conclude this exploration, it's clear that silence offers more than a mere respite from the noise. It provides a foundational element for a holistic approach to health, emphasizing the intrinsic link between the tranquility of our external environments and the harmony of our internal states. Embracing silence, therefore, is not just a lifestyle choice but a holistic health strategy, inviting us to experience life in its fullest, most vibrant expression. Conclusion. As we conclude Chapter 2, The Science of Silence, we have traversed the landscape of silence, uncovering its profound impact on our mental, cognitive, and physical well-being. The journey through scientific studies and empirical evidence has illuminated the transformative power of silence, a force that, when harnessed, can significantly enhance our quality of life. From the reduction of stress and enhancement of mental health to the sharpening of our focus, creativity, cognitive functions, and the myriad physical health benefits, the case for integrating silence into our daily lives has never been more compelling. This exploration serves not only as an affirmation of silence's intrinsic value but also as a foundation upon which we can build practical applications. The benefits highlighted in this chapter underscore the necessity of making silent intervals a routine part of our existence, not as mere moments of escape but as vital components of a holistic approach to health and well-being. As we transition to Chapter 3, The Silence in Practice, the focus shifts from understanding the science behind silence to applying this knowledge in tangible, everyday contexts. This next chapter is dedicated to transforming theory into action, providing readers with practical strategies and insights to cultivate silence amidst the chaos of modern life. From simple, daily practices to more immersive experiences like silent retreats, we will explore diverse approaches to integrating silence into our routines, making it accessible to all, regardless of lifestyle or level of experience. The journey ahead is one of discovery and transformation, an invitation to not only appreciate the silent moments but to actively create them. Through practical applications, personal reflections, and shared experiences, Chapter 3 aims to empower readers to embrace silence as a practice, unlocking its potential to enrich and elevate our lives. The science of silence paves the way, but it is through practice that we truly experience its gifts, weaving silence into the fabric of our daily existence and opening ourselves to the profound peace and clarity it brings.
You've just finished Part 2, The Power of Silence. Next, in Part 3, we'll move from theory into practice, exploring daily habits, silent retreats, and even how silence can transform the way we connect and communicate with others. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Hit like if this has resonated with you, and share your thoughts and comments. We read everyone. This is Better Life Library. See you in Part 3.